Have mercy on me, Lord, my strength is gone. Do not rebuke me in your anger, or discipline me in your wrath. Be merciful to me, for I am frail. My bones are in agony. Have mercy on me, Lord, my strength is gone. Turn, O Lord, and deliver my soul. Save me in your loving devotion, for there's no mention of you in death. Who can praise you among the dead?